Cancer, good morning. This is your channel messages for the 15th of November. Oh my God, Cancer, time flies when you're homeless. This is your channel messages. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Cancer, we're starting off the reading with big news, okay? So, Jesus Christ. Okay, so as you all may or may not know already, Ontario signs $100 million deal with Elon Musk Starlink system. Now, it goes on to say that Premier Doug Ford government has signed a $100 million deal with Elon Musk SpaceX to deliver high-speed internet to remote residents in rural and northern Ontario, okay? So that deal was signed yesterday. Oh my God, I know that Rob Ford will be turning in his grave for this. This is what he wanted. This is, you know what? you know what? And I just want to say,
they're calling a friend of mine a prostitute. Helena is not a prostitute. She's a friend, and it makes me sick how people are saying that. So unfortunately, I have no other choice. I'm the last one to take legal action. I can't put up with it anymore. So I've named the names. Litigation will be starting shortly. I've had enough. That's why I warned you guys yesterday. Be careful what you wrote. Okay, so that's all I have to say for now. And the next thing I want to call Mayor Britannia in Hamilton and tell him that we're going to have to spank the little tiger cats. Oh, and the last thing was Olivia Gonda. It says that I want to eat her pussy.
it was said that I want to eat her pussy. I never said that. I would never say something like that.
I've never said that in my life tour. I would never do that. I'm happily married. I've got more than enough to eat at home.
What about drinking and driving?
So in honor of this great deal, in honor of this great collaboration, we just want to send a very much thank you to Mr. Zaddy Musk, you understand? So let us go ahead. Teacher for the ladies, Doug Ford, Elon Musk, I wanna you like the middle finger. Now even get, I never need a window, never need a window, Elon never need a window. But we say Elon so good in the bed. Me have balance for my head. Me I go post my body and my breast. Come and now use Bell Canada from firm on it. You know Chichi Rider. Use a nation and internet provider. Starlink if them ever have your head fight back. Anyway them I gonna talk like light. Doug. Dig the good them watch get was the gap what the in my butt say now you tell me girl you pussy me what the double yo what did that Starlink girl a dog shit but me no watch all bad shit so we not gonna load this so good in the bed Starlink balance by your head watch me post my body and my breast coming up, but I use Bell Canada from certain funny body, you know, Chichi Rider. Use a nation and internet provider. Anywhere them ever get, we are fight back Starlink. We are here like lights. Okay, great. This is great. This is great news. Okay. Anyways, let us go ahead and go into your reading. Okay, your very short channel messages. Okay, this is great for the residents of Northern Ontario. Okay, apparently Zaddy Musk believe in us. Okay, and inside Musk we trust. I'm joking, let's go ahead and go into reading. Cancer, let's go. I'm not gonna use Bell Canada. No, I'm joking. Stand firm, bunny. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go. So we have the 8 of Cups coming out first. Cancer, you are disappointed in I don't know what, okay? Maybe there's a reaction you did not expect to get, okay? 8 of Cups. Then we have the Page of Pentacles, okay? So I'm seeing you here, you're having, I don't know, I'm getting you're having new ideas about collaboration or a lot of the ideas that you're having when it comes on to investing your money, Cancer. You're always drunk. So maybe people know that them can ask if invest money with them. Them always bring you somewhere, get you drunk on alcohol and then say, hey, you know, I have this great business plan I actually wanted to tell you about. What me getting is always business plans when you're intoxicated. Maybe you don't believe in anybody when you're sober. We have the 3 of Wands. We also have the Ace of Wands, one more. And we have the 5 of Pentacles. Okay, Cancer. I am seeing abandonment. Cancer, I'm seeing 3 of Wands, Ace of Wands, 4 of Wands. So you're here at work. You might be drinking at work. You're here at work intoxicated. No, I'm seeing you doing something on a laptop and then you go home. Like you get a message on your phone to come home. Now when you go home, Cancer, I'm getting there's nothing there. So it's either somebody asks you to invest some money in one business, I'm getting when you go to the business place, it don't exist. Or somebody asks you to donate money to something, it doesn't exist. Or I'm getting, for some reason you're here, you're at work, you're working online, or I don't know if you work with your hands, and then you get a text message for come home. You go home and there's nothing home. I'm getting furniture move, everything move out, everything clear out. And you don't know why. So let's clarify. Alright, so the 8 of Cups is clarified by the 7 of Pentacles. I don't even think you have the money to drink, Cancer. What is this? Give me 1 minute. Page of Pentacles is clarified by the Knight of Cups. The 3 of Wands is clarified by the Angel Sagittarius. The Ace of Wands is clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. And the 5 of Pentacles is clarified by the 6 of Swords. Alright, Cancer, okay, so again, me getting you here, you drink, you get a text message for go home, you go home. Now, when you go home to nothing, you find nothing. I don't know if you live with a roommate or you live with somebody. I'm kind of getting you're supposed to get injured on the job, Cancer, and something keep every time I work and you get intoxicated, or every time I work something I tell you for go home. I don't know why I want to say this, but I feel like if you work around machinery or you work around anything that will produce fire, you're supposed to get injured there. And me getting I don't know if I drink or you smoke, me getting something, Cancer, something protect you. I don't know what this is. Come getting you there at work and something I tell you, Cancer go home, and you're like, what may I go home go do? There's nothing home. There's no home there to go home to. But it's like for some reason you're constantly in transition. Or for some reason it's like, Cancer, I feel like wherever you work, there's supposed to be an accident will happen on you. And it's supposed to cause you to take some time off, or you're going to step down as the CEO and somebody else will come up and kind of, be in your position for a little bit. Because me getting is either your business or your job is not, your job is not like sales where you have a call and constantly make income. Your job is already set. The job is already set, and then you have clients calling in, you have investors calling in. Me getting something about you there work, and for some reason your energy keep a pull you for go home. Me getting you're supposed to get injured on a job. But it's like every time you get a message for leave this location, for move from this place, for go somewhere, it keep a protect you. Now me getting something about fire, something about burning. Like me getting bad burn. Something about like something supposed to burn you, so you take time off. Now I also see this, Cancer. I don't feel like you're homeless, but I don't feel like you live anywhere. I feel like I don't know where. Are you sleeping in your warehouse? Are you sleeping in one office? Because me getting there say Cancer go home, and you're like, what may I go home to? Like you're sleeping in the office, or you sleep. Me getting you sleep where you sleep like on a fucking mattress in your house, but me getting you have money, or me getting something about your fear if you go home you'll get hurt. Cancer, I don't know what this is, but I feel like for some reason you cannot rest your head in a normal house, on a normal bed, have a nightstand, every single thing. There's something that either is riding your consciousness or something to protect you. I'm getting something, but you're supposed to get an injury at work. And the injury now gonna make you come back to work, so you have to take time off. So I don't know what this is, which new investment or which new ideas they wanted you to pass and you have not passed as yet. But I'm getting, Cancer, be careful. So let's get some messages and we're going to leave it here. $1 million baby, they don't want to use your money. So I'm getting you to get injured. We have the Magician. We have Taurus, so okay, I'm glad I could show up. We have the Chariot, which is Cancer. Yes, Cancer. Hi, Cancer. Okay, or me getting something about security. If you have to go and go sleep, make sure you have security in your yard. And you might be like, oh, well, that's too dramatic. It's not dramatic, Cancer. Or me getting something about security for a Taurus. You need security for a Taurus, the Chariot Taurus, something like that. And we get I was innocent. I'm gonna leave it here, Cancer. Until next time, bye.